Good afternoon, Priska.
Good afternoon, Anandita.
Let's go to talk about presentation group 1. What have you learned about table setup standard?
I have learned that table setup standard is a guideline used to arrange plate, cutlery, and glass neatly and quietly on the table. I makes the dining experience more comfortable and professional.
What have you understand about table setup standard?
I understood that each item has a specific position, like the part on the left, the knife on the right, and the glass above the knife. It depends on the type of service to like a party of banquet.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was when to the presenters with different styles of table setup, like a formal dinner and as well as it was really helpful.
Give the suggestion from the presentation.
I suggest adding a short video of reveal demonstration to make it more exciting and easier to understand.
Group 2. What have you learned about table setup formal?
I have learned that a formal table setup follows strict rules. Every item like the dinner plate, salad plate, different glass and utensil must be placed in a specific order.
What have you understood about table setup formal?
I understood the formal settings are usually used for dining or special event. It's so elegant and professional, and guests should feel comfortable knowing what the egg item is for.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was when we practiced setting the table ourselves. It was fun and helped me remember the position better.
Give the suggestion for the presentation.
I think it will be better if the presenter showed explains from real restaurant or use video to explain the step more clearly.
Group 3. What have you learned about table setup informal?
I have learned that informal table setup is simpler that the that the formal one. I use favor utensil and is easier to arrange.
What have you understood about table setup informal?
I understood that it's usually used at home or in casual restaurant. We still need to place the utensil correctly, but it's more flexible.
What the most interesting during the presentation?
I think the most interesting part was when we compared the informal and formal setup side by side. It helped me see the difference clearly.
Give the suggestion from the presentation.
Maybe next time they can let us try setting the table ourselves in small group. That will be more fun and interactive.
Group 4. What have you learned about table the hot variation?
I have learned that table the hot is a set menu with a fixed number of course, but the variation depend on the type of restaurant and the style of service.
What have you understood about table the hot variation?
I understood that some table the hot menus offer a few cookies for us, of course, will author have no opening at all. The presentation and theming of the service also vary.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was seeing simple menus for different quadrants. It showed how culture influences the hot service.
Give the suggestion from the presentation.
I suggest the include a role play or simulation so we can practice serving a table the hot menu ourselves.
Group 5. What have you learned about setting up a table?
I have learned that setting up a table includes placing plates, utensils, glass, and napkin in the correct position, depending on the type of meal and service.
Have you understood about setting up a table?
I understood that it helps create a good impression for guests and makes dining more comfortable. It also so professional in food service.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was when we go to try setting the table ourselves. It fun the useful experience.
Give the suggestion for the presentation.
I suggest adding a quiz for a game at the end to test our understanding. It will make the session more interactive.
Group 6. What have you learned about a la carte and buffet table?
I'll have learned that la carte means suggests or the individual dishes for a menu, will buffet allow guests to serve themselves from a variety of dishes of the display.
What have you understood about a la carte and buffet table?
I understood that the stoop table stoop for a la carte is more formal and personalized, while buffet tables are arranged to make it easy for many guests to take food themselves.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was when two pressure swap the real difference in table load bed la carte and buffet. It helped me visualize the stoop better.
Give the suggestion from the presentation.
I suggest adding a live demonstration or swing pots from real restaurant so we can see how it's done professionally.
Thank you.